Today we're having a conversation about understanding your body for better outfits. It's not about labels and categories. It's about finding confidence and making fashion choices that truly reflect who you are. Hey everyone, and it's Elena. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. I am not a mental health professional, but I've personally experienced body dysmorphia and anorexia. I've learned to love and appreciate every body type through my work as a stylist. I want to emphasize that I'm not here to encourage any changes to your body. I believe that everybody is beautiful. And the first step in this journey is acceptance. We don't need to make our bodies fit clothes. We need to make clothes fit our bodies. So understanding and accepting who you are is the foundation for not only a great wardrobe, but also a great life. If at any point during this video you start feeling negative thoughts or emotions about yourself, please take a break or come back to it in the future. The goal here is to help you understand why certain fabrics, styles, or cuts might not work for you and how to make necessary adjustments so that clothing complements your unique shape. Take a photo. Yes, it's as simple as that. The sooner you accept your body, the sooner you'll learn to love it. Sounds funny, right? Or maybe weird, or maybe unbelievable. Use a tripod and place your camera at chest level, at least 6 feet away from you. Avoid different angles that can distort your body shape. Take photos from the back, front, and sides with a neutral posture. Understanding proportions. It's not about specific shapes or labels, it's about balance. Consider how certain clothes can either emphasize or balance different parts of your body. Discovering your body's balance. Understanding your body's proportions is key to dressing in a way that enhances your neutral beauty. Here are some common body proportions and tips on how to identify and dress for them. As I said, I don't like to categorize, but here we are just to understand your body better. Longer legs refer to individuals whose legs appear longer in proportions to their upper body. If you have longer legs, you can create balance by wearing tops with patterns or details that draw the eye upward, like off-the-shoulder or broad neck tops. High-waisted bottoms such as skirts or jeans can also highlight your leg length. Avoid overly long tops that may make your legs appear even longer. Unless, of course, you love that elongated look like I do. If you have shorter legs, here are some tips for you. Optimal for high-waisted bottoms to create the illusion of longer legs. Also consider wearing vertical stripes, as they can add the appearance of height. Aligned skirts and dresses can work wonders in elongating your lower body. Remember, it's all about creating balance and feeling confident in your style. A longer torso means that the upper part of your body from the shoulders to the waist appears longer compared to your legs. For those with a longer torso, you can balance your proportions by wearing high-waisted bottoms to create the illusion of longer legs. Crop tops and tucked-in blouses can also help emphasize your waistline. Avoid extremely low-rise pants, which can elongate your torso further. If you have a shorter torso, try the opposite approach, optimal for lower rise bottoms to balance your proportions. Tops with a slightly longer hemline can also create the illusion of a longer torso. So experiment with belts to cinch your waist and add some definition. To measure if you have a long or short torso, simply place your two hands on your belly. If your belly button is underneath the second hand, that means you have a proportionate body. If your belly button is below your second hand and there is a space, it's considered a long torso. If your belly button is somewhere underneath your hands, that means you have a short torso. Broader shoulders refer to individuals whose shoulder width appears wider compared to their hips. What to wear in this case? If you have broader shoulders, consider V-neck tops and dresses to create a more balanced look. Aligned skirts or wide leg pants can add volume, creating a harmonious silhouette. Probably avoid shoulder pads or exaggerated shoulder details that can further accentuate broader shoulders. Narrow shoulders refer to individuals whose shoulder width appears narrower compared to their hips. In this case, people with narrow shoulders can consider wearing tops or dresses with structured shoulders or padded details to create the illusion of broader shoulders. Off-the-shoulder styles can also help add weight to the upper body. Avoid narrow necklines or tops with heavy embellishments on the shoulder area, as they can make shoulders appear narrower. Square shoulders are characterized by a more angular shape with a similar width from the shoulders to the hips. And to soften the square look and create balance, consider tops or dresses with rounded necklines or styles that have ruffles or draping around the shoulders. And avoid square or high necklines. Even shoulders refer to individuals whose shoulder width aligns proportionally with their hips, creating a balanced and symmetrical upper body. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Evenly balanced shoulders can pull off various necklines and styles, so experiment with different necklines, sleeve length, and silhouettes to enhance your overall look. With this body proportion, you have the flexibility to explore a wide range of fashion choices and adapt to different trends. And with balanced shoulders, there are no strict rules to avoid. I mean, there's no strict rules at all. In all this video, there is no strict rules, just remember that. Feel free to explore various fashion choices and adapt your style to what makes you feel confident and comfortable. So there you have it. Remember, fashion is not about conforming to labels or categories. It's about embracing your unique self and expressing your individuality. The journey to better outfits begins with self-acceptance and understanding your body's proportions. Please don't be too hard on yourself. We all have our own unique beauty. The magic happens when you recognize it and use fashion as a tool to amplify it. I hope the tips and insights shared in this video help you feel more confident in your style choices. Embrace your proportions, experiment with different styles, and have fun expressing yourself through clothing. Your style is a reflection of who you are, and there is no one else like you. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey of self-discovery and style. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion and confidence-boosting content. And as always, stay stylish, stay unique, and most importantly, stay true to yourself.